Welcome to the JCAD LACHS 5 video on the Find Grid functionality. Grouping of the find results allows for the data to be grouped by common information. Drag and drop the column header to the blue bar above. This expands to show the group by area. The results are now grouped by policy code. To group the results further, drag and drop additional column headers into the group by area. To remove a grouping, drag the column header from the group by area. The Show on Map functionality gives you the ability to see the location of the claims that have been returned as part of the search. The results of multiple searches can be shown on a single map. The Export to Excel function allows for the results to be exported to Microsoft Excel. To export, click the Export button. The results will be exported in the same format as they are shown in the grid. The pop-out function will display the find results in a separate window. Click the pop-out button to display this window. The separate window allows for the results to be shown and allow for you to continue working within LACHS. For more information, please visit www.jcad.com or call 01730 712 020.